The AZUD LUXON MFH range is suitable for a variety of applications with numerous options in terms of filtering services and degree of filtration. The interior of the filter is divided into 3 chambers. The system incorporates a water inlet, a water outlet, a pre-filter, a filtering element and a cleaning system, which consists of a scanner, nozzles, a turbine, a hydraulic piston and a 2-way hydraulic valve. Water enters the roughing chamber where the pre-filter retains large-sized residue and then continues its way towards the inside of the filtering element, and from there it flows back out. This filtered water then leaves the filter through the water outlet. The filtration process is not interrupted during the cleaning phase, which guarantees a constant supply of clean water. The majority of the solids suspended in the water remain trapped on the inner surface of the mesh, forming a filtration cake, which produces an increase in the pressure differential between the filter inlet and outlet. When the pressure differential reaches a preset value, the system activates the filter's automatic cleaning process. At this point, maneuvers begin which initiate the rotation and horizontal movement of the cleaning scanner, and this activates the helical movement and suction action of the nozzles on the inner side of the filter. The whole filtering surface is cleaned in a matter of seconds. The water used for cleaning, which contains the retained solids, is driven out through the drainage valve. The cleaning process can either be activated at specific time intervals or in real time. AZUD guarantees the total and reliable traceability of this product together with an optimized design which facilitates regular inspections and filter maintenance without the need for special tools. The design, materials and versatility of this product together with AZUD's guarantee make it the best choice on the market.